Your marketing team is excited about They Ask You Answer. But how the heck does a They Ask You Answer approach to inbound and content marketing benefit you in sales? Isn't it just another strategy for achieving marketing priorities? Well, these are the precise questions we're going to answer together in this video, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Liz Moorhead with Impact. Right now, your marketing folks are over the moon at the prospect of embracing They Ask, You Answer to build a content marketing strategy that will establish your company as the #1 trusted resource in your industry. But as someone in sales, you're still a little skeptical, and I understand that. The tactics used to execute on the philosophies espoused within They Ask You Answer contain a lot of red flag marketing buzzwords that make sales folks like you a little anxious. Blogging, content marketing, video marketing, website copy, and so on. So I don't blame you for feeling that way. But trust me when I say there is more here than meets the eye. At its core, They Ask You Answer is a sales initiative. Every single blog, video, or website page you publish through the They Ask You Answer framework will be architected through the lens of sales, based on your frontline knowledge of what your ideal buyers are thinking and needing. This sounds great in theory, but you've been burned before by marketing strategies that promise you the world, but still fail to bring the qualified, sales-ready leads you need to your doorstep. So by the end of this video, you will understand the 7 specific ways in which a They Ask You Answer approach to your digital strategy directly benefits sales pros and teams just like you. Producing sales-focused content will force you to understand your buyers as you never have before. That's because the core of They Ask You Answer begins with an absolute obsession of knowing precisely what your buyers are thinking, feeling, and searching for. You cannot succeed with They Ask You Answer without this deep understanding of your buyers' worries, fears, and desires. And when you are forced to think about these things nonstop as your strategy is developed under your guidance, your ability to empathize with your prospects will never be better. A powerful thing when you're trying to close a deal, right? When you're in sales, you've not only heard every single question your prospects have about what you do and sell, you've gotten really good at answering those questions too. And when you're involved in the content production process, you will have even more practice in answering those questions, explaining those ideas, and refining how you express certain concepts in ways that really resonate with your ideal buyers. The more content you create, the more articles, videos, and more you'll have at your disposal for current and future employees to use as training materials. It will help them learn company doctrines, philosophies, and so on more effectively and more efficiently, all because of your effort. Assignment selling is the time-tested, proven way to use the educational content you create, your blogs, your videos, in the sales process, wherein you literally provide assignments to your prospects. Your goal with assignment selling is not to create more work for your prospects, but rather to proactively resolve major concerns or questions of your buyers during the sales process, but also before sales appointments. It may seem a little bold to give your potential buyers homework, but you will be rewarded with better educated buyers and an opportunity for bad fit buyers to disqualify themselves without you having to waste time on them. With advanced sales and marketing automation platforms like HubSpot, sales pros like you can see every single website page, article, and video a prospect looked at before they filled out your website's Contact Us form. That is an incredible amount of lead intelligence right at your fingertips. You will know exactly what your prospects are interested in, how much they know about your company's products and services, and most of all, what topics they're most concerned about, all before you ever speak to them. With more education happening before you speak with a potential buyer, you can spend more time during those meetings having more qualified and deeper conversations specific to the needs of that individual or their organization. That frees you up to spend more time doing what you do best: sell. By empowering your potential buyers to educate themselves through the content you create and publish on your website, you will receive the greatest sales gift of all: more time back in your calendar, time you can spend on more qualified leads or at home with your families and your loved ones. On top of that, thanks to your prospects being more educated, you will close more deals faster with more qualified buyers. See, I told you the Ask You Answer brings home the bacon for sales. But if you still have questions about what you heard about in this video, or you simply want to talk through some of your most pressing digital sales and marketing challenges, set up a time to talk. We would love to hear from you.